Maraming pamilya muli ay nabuo at napasaya. Mga ama't ina ng tahanang kinakailangan lumayo pa. Di mawari ang kaligayahan, hatid magsama-sama sa pag-ahon sa matinding kahirapan. AIM Global, kasagutan ka sa aming mga dasal. Tunay na bigay ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat sa'yo, AIM Global. Maraming buhay ang iyong nabago ng bawat Pilipino sa buong mundo. Di matatawaran ang ngiti sa labi ng bawat isa. Mga kabataang napagtapos ng kanilang pag-aaral, mga taong napagaling sa kanilang karamdaman, mga ordinaryong Pilipino nagdati-dati nangangarap lang. AIM Global, kasagutan ka sa aming mga dasal. Tunay na bigay ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat sa'yo, AIM Global. Maraming buhay ang iyong nabago ng bawat Pilipino.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Travi a wish list. I'd probably pull a Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady, have this. And last but not least, grant somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travis Claus minus the ho-ho. Get it? I probably visit where Katrina hit, and damn sure do a lot more than FEMA did. Yeah, can't forget about me, stupid. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own theme music.
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
What you see, bro?
I see my name in shiny lights. Oh, yeah,
And what else?
a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. When I'm a billionaire.
Let's go. I'll be playing basketball with the president, dunking on his delegates. Then I compliment him on his